what is the main difference between list and tuple. First difference is that list is a mutable data structure in Python and tuple is an immutable data structure in Python. Means once the list is created, we are going to change the element of the list. But once the tuple is created, we are not going to change any elements because of this immutable nature. And this list is created with the square brackets and this tuple is created with the parenthesis. In coming to performance wise, list is slower because of this mutable nature and the tuple is more faster. And it coming to the memory usage, list takes more memory, tuple take only less memory. And this list is mutable, so we can perform different kind of operations, like we can add the element, we can delete the element, or we can modify that element as well. But in tuple we cannot do all these operations. And coming to the use case, when the data is not going to modify, at that time we can use list, and when the data is remain constant, at that time we can use the tuple. For example, keys in the dictionaries.